Here I have TOSCIDO M863, and today I'm going to show you how to enter factory mode on this device. So firstly you have to turn off your tablet, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume up, at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. And after that you will end up in the factory mode menu. So here at the factory mode everything is in Japanese, unfortunately. But what I know for sure, that using volume down you can navigate, and using volume up you can select options. What are these options? I have absolutely no idea, because I don't speak Japanese and also don't read Japanese. I can only guess what are these options, but what I know for sure, that this one last option is factory reset. So if you select the last option, like, all the data from your tablet will be erased. So let's try, for example, the pre-last option. Maybe this one will restart our tablet and get us out of this mode. I hope so. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.